Today I will be reviewing LEGO set number 60181, Forest Tractor. This set includes a Forest Tractor, a logger minifigure, which could also be used as a construction worker, 2 logs, a small pine tree, a chainsaw, a shovel, and a stand to put the logs on to be cut. This is the spare parts that I got with the tractor. Not much, although it's nice to have another 1x1 round plate with a hole in it. The crane arm can swivel around, move up and down, and the claws on the end can twist on their own. There's also 2 chains in back to drag the logs with. The roof comes off so you can put the minifigure in the cockpit where there's controls for the crane arm and a steering wheel to drive the tractor. The wheels move independently and they're hooked on by Technic axles. The crane arm is fully functional and can pick up the logs. Although I was wondering why he had it hovering over his head. Seems a little bit dangerous. I like all the detail, like the exhaust pipe and the ladder going up to it. The tractor had about 6 stickers, which is a pretty good number for a LEGO set this size. Overall, I think this is a very good city set. Comes with a few accessories which are nice. Pine tree is a nice addition, even though it's so small, but it would be nice to have a couple big trees to go with it. So that's it for this set review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.